So sometimes then we have this unhealthy situation we are get ourselves into. So one element takes more the energies and the others suffer. So this is a very common scenario, especially in this current COVID situation, or even like in Western civilized society where we are driven and pushing and deadlines, pressure, traffic, all these things. Now we are stuck at home with COVID. So all those things help fuel the wood. All those things that I mentioned a second ago are wood imbalances factors. So the wood grows. He has all these energies stuck at home or dealing with too much pressure, wherever the pressure comes from. Generally, it's time and or space. The wood grows, and since we only have a certain amount of energy, if you give more to one or two, like in this case also the fire has a little bit more, then the others will suffer. So the earth has a little bit less, the metal has a little bit less, the water has a little bit less. So here we might have somebody who has headaches, top of the head, behind the eyes, those are wood imbalances. The fire is increased, so you might have a little bit difficulty sleeping because of that. The earth, maybe they have some digestive issues. They don't eat so well. They eat on the go. The metal, maybe some skin irritations. And the water, they feel tired. They don't have enough energy. They feel like napping in the afternoon. So this is a very common scenario where the wood, our lifestyles, the things that we do, the emotions, it's the culprit. Something that we need to address. So in this class, we learn points, movements, and it's not just one thing. Food is very important, lifestyle is very important, acupressure, acupuncture, herbs, qigong, movement, yoga, whatever you do, therapy, it's a combination of many things to help support the health of those five. And naturally we gravitate more towards the practice versus another. So we'll find what works for us, and the idea is to find what works for us and stick with it and learn more and embrace it more and let go what doesn't. So this is the unhealthy cycle where one takes more. And then there's also maybe the one that doesn't have enough. I'm taking again the wood as an example. The person has some timidity. This is also a imbalance of the wood element. The wood is assertive. The wood gets out there, as the voice heard. But if there is not enough energy, the other elements that they take over in a way. This is not a very common scenario, but just to see the opposites. So we see a water increase. We see like that water is quiet, the person becomes too quiet, too hidden. There's difficulties getting up of bed, going out, doing things to help. This is yang energy that is awakening. So the tree has to make a plant that makes fruit, that makes delicious zucchini, and then goes back into the earth and it's done. But this tree is staying in the ground, so the plants are not making much product, and then this is an unhealthy imbalance, and then it's the others that suffer is the fire, the flowers are a little, and then you get this fruit that is bloated, and it's too much earth, digestive system. This is the earth element, mainly is digestion and muscles, worries, and the metal, we get critical and complaining. And so this is the other aspect where the yang elements, wood and fire, are affected, and all the others, the yin, take over. Right? So then we see more of a withdrawn kind of scenario.